Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about collinear of a vectors and how to find DRs, that means the direction ratios and direction cosines of a vector. Yes. So today I am going to explain about section formula. Section formula. You already learned about the section formula in two-dimensional geometry. That means in the straight line. That means actually what is section formula? What is section formula? Sections means dividing into maybe two parts or three parts. Suppose see here, A is any one point, B is other point. Then AB is a line segment, right? Then AB is any line segment. So AB is a line segment. Then one point P divides these line segment AB. One point P divides these line segment AB in the ratio M is to N. In the ratio M is to N. This point P, one point P divides these divides these line segment AB in the ratio M and N or M is to N. Then this system means the finding the point of P is known as the procedure of finding the point P is known as a section formula. Actually, why I am saying section formula here? We are going to find here some one point. We don't know that point, that some other point P divides this line segment AB. Then this procedure is known as a section formula. That means in two-dimensional geometry, what is the point P here? In two-dimensional geometry, what is the point P here? Point P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Next, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, it is the point P. It is about a point P. So same like this in vectors also, we should have to find such type of point P. Nothing but the vector OR. In two-dimensional geometry, we are taking these four points. Here in vector algebra, that means vectors. This one what we have to take here? We have to take here position vectors. O is a position vector, OB is also position vector. Then some other vector OP, some other position vector OP divides this AB, divides this AB, line segment AB or vector AB in the ratio M ratio. Then that type of third vector OP bar we have to find. Okay, so just to learn here how we can find this third vector internally and externally. So what about this one? It is point A, it is point B. This point B is known as an internal point. That means internally this point P is divides this line segment A. Right? So same like this way. Here see, it is point A, it is point B. It is point P. This point P divides these line segment AB externally. This external point. Okay. Here two types of formulas we are going to write. What is that one? The point P divides this line segment AB internally. The point P divides this line segment AB externally. Okay. So here also same in vector form. In vectors also we will take like this. But here OA bar and OB bar two position vectors. And P means nothing but OP is another third position vector which is dividing this OA and OB. Nothing but AB. Okay. Just to see. X-axis, Y-axis and Z. Okay. Now here what I am taking here? A I am taking point A. Point A. And here it is point B I am taking. So it is O. OA, position vector A bar. Okay. And OB, position vector B bar. These two are the directions. Right? Now I am going to join these 2 points. I am going to join these 2 points means AB is a vector here. OA is position vector A bar and OB is another position vector B bar. If you join these 2 points, what you got here? Another vector AB bar you got or not? AB bar is a vector. Okay? Yes, it is the direction. Now another vector, another position vector, that means P, OP, another position vector OP. Or else if you take as point wise, it is point A, point B, then it is a line segment, right? then the one point P divides these line segment AB in the ratio. What is the ratio? M ratio N. Divide these line segment AB in the ratio 1:1. Whenever you are taking point A, point B and point P in three-dimensional coordinates, then what will be this? OA is a position vector and OB is a position vector and OP is also position vector. OA is a position vector of point A, OB is position vector of point B and OP is also position vector of point P. Okay. Now here what is that one? OA vector, OB vector. So AB is also vector, and if you join these two, AB is a vector. Now what will be here? A point which is dividing this line segment AB or vector AB in the ratio M ratio N. In the ratio M ratio internally. Then we have to find this point P. Find this point P means nothing but what we have to find here? OB vector only we have to find. Nothing but what we have to find here? The position vector OP bar only we have to find. That is nothing but R bar. I am taking as the vector OP bar as R bar. Okay, yes. Remember this one. See from this diagram, what I am taking here? This point P divides this line segment AB, or else this OP vector divides this vector AB in the ratio of M ratio N or not? M ratio N. That means what I am writing? That means that is what we can write. What we can write? AP by PB is equal to M by N. Yes or no? This point P divides this line segment AB in the ratio M ratio or not? Yes, that means AP by PB. AP by PB is equal to M by N. Yes. Just take it cross multiplication. Then what will be? What will be? M into PB. M into PB is equal to N into AP. These were vectors, right? Yes. So M into PB vector you have to find. AP vector also you have to find. Just see. PB bar is equal to PB bar. What is PB bar here? OP. PB bar means directly connect. We already learned about the joint of two vectors. That is PB. What is that one? OB bar minus OP bar. OB bar minus OP bar. So what is OP bar here? What is OP bar? B bar minus OP bar means R bar. Right? OB bar means B bar minus OP bar means R bar. Yes or no? And next AP bar. AB bar means OP bar minus OA bar. Yes. What is OP bar? R bar minus what is OA bar? A bar. Yes or no? So substitute these values here. So M into PB bar. What is PB bar here? B bar minus R bar is equal to N into what is AP bar here? R bar minus A bar. Right? Now simplify this one. M into B bar minus M into R bar is equal to N into R bar minus N into A bar. Okay? Yes. Now here this minus MR bar transfer this side. It will be plus, and here also R bar is there, here also R bar is there. Take out common R bar, and this minus NA bar transfer this side. Okay, then it will be positive. So finally what will be? This implies this value I am transfer this side. I am taking out common R bar. R bar I am taking common, then what will be? M plus N is equal to this value I am taking this side. Then what will be? MB bar plus NA bar. Okay, so we have to find R bar. R bar means what is that one? MB bar plus NA bar by M plus N. R bar means nothing but OP bar. This is OP bar. Okay, so that means the vector OP bar divides these vector AB in the ratio M, ratio N. Then what is that P bar here? OP bar. What about the vector OP bar here? OP bar is equal to R bar is equal to what is the value? M B bar plus NA bar by M plus N internally. That means this OP vector, position vector OP bar divides the vector AB bar internally in the ratio m ratio n, then the position vector OP bar is, what is the position vector OP bar is? R bar is equal to mb bar plus na bar by m plus n. Okay, mb bar plus na bar by m plus n. It is the formula to finding that section vector are known as a dividing vector. Okay, yes. Remember this one. It is actually point P is internal point. It is the formula you got to find that vector OP. If suppose it is external point, same means if you take like this way, x, y, z axis, it is A am taking here, B am taking here. Okay, OA, OB. Here it is the point P. Point P means it is the vector, position vector OR bar. This OP bar, so take like this, it is better. Okay, this P, that means OP bar divides this line segment AB, externally. Okay, externally. Then what is the formula here? Same formula. OP bar is equal to R bar is equal to, what is that one? M B bar minus N A bar by M minus N. That means external point you have to find. That means that external point in the sense external vector you have to find OP bar, position vector. So this external position vector OP bar only divide. That means this OP bar divides this line segment AB externally in the ratio m:n. That means P A by P B. Okay, that is m ratio n. So it is the formula. It is internally means plus, externally means minus will be better. Internally means plus, externally means minus will be better. Just remember how we have to remember this formula. It's very easy. Just see. OA, OB. This is the vector AB. Just write m:n. Whatever the ratio will be given, m:n will be. Cross multiplication will be m into B bar, MB bar. That means OP bar is equal to MB bar plus NA bar. That's my thing. Just see. R bar, that means OP bar is equal to R bar is equal to, what is that one? MB bar plus MB bar plus NA bar. Like this cross multiplication you have to do. NA bar by M plus N. It is the formula. Just to remember simply like this one. Okay? Yes. It is about what about this? It is about section formula. Okay? So by this formula you have to find internally dividing point or externally dividing point. Okay? Remember. So it is about that section formula. Now I am going to solve some questions from our textbook exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2. Now I am going to solve some questions. Okay. Some examples also are given. So first I will explain this exercise 10.2. Then automatically you can solve those questions which are given, that examples also. Okay. See now. Come to the question number 1. Exercise 10.2, question number 1. Exercise 10.2, question number 1. What is the question number 1 is given here? Compute the magnitude of the following vectors. I think so I no need to explain this one. You can solve this one. Magnitude means what is that one? What is the magnitude? I will explain just one question here. A bar is equal to what is given? I cap plus J cap plus K cap is given. So what is the magnitude of this question? What is of this vector? Mod A bar root over scalar components. Okay, 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. That is equal to root 3. So like this manner you have to find the magnitudes. Okay, so find the remaining 2 problems also. B bar, C bar also vectors given. Solve yourself. Okay, next question number 2. Question number 2. What is given here? What is given? Write 2 different vectors having same magnitude. Write 2 different vectors having same magnitude. Same magnitude. Okay. Yes. How can I write? As you wish you can write. Like infinity meaning C same vectors with two vectors with having same magnitude, you can write different many vectors. Okay, suppose for example I am writing like this: a bar is equal to 2 I cap plus j cap minus 3 k cap and j cap. Okay, it is one vector. We have to write one more vector. These two vectors are having same magnitudes. Same magnitude means nothing but root over 2 square 1 square minus 3 whole square. Same components you have to take, but change that much only. Okay, same components. In this vector also I will take same scalar components. Same scalar components. Then only you will get that the root values are same or not. Yes. Just see here. What I am taking here? Suppose I cap I am taking plus 3 k cap I am taking. Okay. Next plus 2 k cap I am taking. It is j cap. Okay. Plus 2 k cap. So just to find the magnitude of this one. What is the magnitude of this one? Root over 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 3 whole square. Right? Yes. 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9, 14 or not? Root 14. Yes or no? What about this one? Mod b bar. That means magnitude of vector b bar. Root over 1 square plus 3 square plus 2 square. What about this one? 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 14. So, the magnitudes are same or not? Yes. So, like this manner, you can write. That means whatever the vector you will take, components you have to change, that much only. As you wish you can change. As you wish you can change. Components must be same. 3, 1, minus 3. Okay, here maybe you can take plus 10 or minus 10, no problem. Why? Because that value whole square will be positive only. Okay, here also 1, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Is there not? Yes, same like the same components we have to take. We have to change there and here only. Okay, remember this one. It is about question number 2. Next. Come to question number 3. Write two different vectors having same direction. Same direction. Write two different vectors having same direction. Same direction. Same direction this side or maybe this. Both are same only. Both are having same direction. That means what will be? What will be? Nothing but collinear vectors. If you take two collinear vectors, then both are having same direction or not? I mean, actually, collinears are may not be same directions, but you can take collinear vectors, okay, or parallel vectors. Just to see, one vector I am taking here, a bar is equal to I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap something. One more vector I am taking like this, 2 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap. These two vectors are having same direction or not? Same direction. These two vectors are having same direction. What are the vector you will take? Multiply by some other number. Okay, from constant to second number. Then multiply to some other number to this vector. You will get another vector. These two are collinear. Collinear vectors having same direction. Okay, remember this one. So like this manner you have to give that examples for these having same magnitude, having same direction. Okay, next. Question number 4. Find the values of x and y so that the vectors are equal. These two vectors are equal is given. Question number 4. The two vectors are equal is given. That means 2 I cap plus 3 j cap is equal to x I cap plus y j cap is given. These two vectors are equal is given. Then find the values of x and y. Equal means what will be? I cap equals j cap. So what is x value here? X value 2, y value 3. X value 2, y value 3. Okay, it is question number 4. Next, find the question number 5. Find the scalar and vector components of the vector with initial point 2, 1 and terminal point minus 5, 7. Here see what is given. Question number 5. Here, like this, it is initial point, it is terminal point. Initial point and terminal point. Nothing but vector AB. It is vector AB. Okay. Now what is asking here? Scalar scalar components and vector components of this vector AB is asked. Okay, so what is point A is given here? 2 comma 1. What is vector terminal point? Minus 5 comma 7 is given. That means here nothing but what is given here? OA bar vector is given. Position vector OA bar. What is given here? What is given? 2I cap plus J cap. And next OB bar. It is a initial point and it is a terminal point. What is terminal point here? OB bar. OB bar. Minus 5 I cap plus 7 J cap. Okay. So direction also must be represented here. See question number 5. Direction is given. Terminal direction. Indirect direction is given. It is initial point. It is terminal point is given. Means compulsory. What is the direction? AB or not? AB. So now we have to find AB vector. What is AB vector? How can you find AB vector here? O B bar minus O A bar. Okay. Yes. Now find that one. OB bar. What is OB bar? Minus 5 I cap plus 7 J cap minus what is OA bar? 2 I cap plus J cap. Now simplify this one. Minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 I cap 7J minus J plus 6J cap. It is AB bar. In this vector AB bar, what is the scalar component? What are the scalar components? Scalar components are what are they? Minus 7, comma 6. And what are the vector components? Vector components minus 7i cap and 6j. These two are known as vector components. Okay, whenever the initial point and terminal points are given means nothing but OP is a position vector. OA is a position vector and as well as OB also position vector. Okay, remember this one. Like this manner we have to find these type of questions. It is question number 5. Now come to question number 6. Question number 6. What is the question number 6 is given here? Find the sum of the vectors. A bar, B bar, C bar is given. You can find easily. Okay, find them. Sum of the vector means I component, J component, K component. Add them. Okay. Yes. Next. 7. Question number 7. Find the vector. That means unit vector in the direction of one vector is given. So he is asking unit vector of a given vector. Here, what is asking? Unit vector of a given vector. A bar is equal to I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap. Okay. So with this same direction, we have to find a unit vector of this vector. So unit vector means what is the formula of finding a unit vector? Unit vector of A bar is, what is that one? A cap is equal to 1 by mod A bar into A bar. 1 by mod A bar into A bar. Right? 1 by mod A bar means root over mod means mod A bar means magnitude or not? Magnitude. That means what is that one? 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square into I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap. Okay. So 1 by 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, root 6. So what is that one? 1 by root 6 into I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap. So write in the vector form. What is that one? 1 by root 6 into I cap plus 1 by root 6 into J cap plus 2 by root 6 into K cap. K cap. Understand? It is a unit vector. It is the unit vector. So, okay. So, like this manner, we have to find the unit vectors of a given vector. Remember, it is question number 7. Next, find the unit vector in the direction of vector PQ bar. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector PQ bar, where P and Q are the points. Here point P is given what is the point P is given here? 1, 2, 3. Point Q also is given here. 4, 5, 6. Okay. So these 2 points are given. By using these 2 points, what is asking here? PQ bar. In the direction of PQ bar, you have to find a unit vector. That means unit vector of PQ bar. What you have to find? Unit vector of PQ bar. So what is the unit vector of PQ bar? PQ cap only. PQ cap only. Yes or no? So what is the formula? PQ cap means what is the formula? 1 by mod PQ bar into PQ bar. So compulsory what we have to find? To find a vector, unit vector of PQ bar, compulsory we should have to find PQ bar vector or not first? First we should have to find PQ bar vector. How can you find PQ bar vector? You know that one. First what is given here? Point P, point Q is given means position vectors are given. Position vector of point P, position vector of point Q is given. Okay, from that one you can find PQ vector. First I am going to find PQ vector first. Given that OP bar is equal to, what is given? I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Right? Yes. And next OQ cap, OQ bar also. Position vector of this Q. Then what will be? 4 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 6 k cap. It is OP, it is OQ. Now, which vector you have to find now? PQ vector you have to find. So what is the formula to find this PQ vector? OQ bar, Q bar minus OP bar. Clear? Yes. Now substitute this OP and OQ. What is OQ here? 4I cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap. Right? Minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Now subtract 4I minus I. 4 minus I, 4 minus 1, 3I cap. 5 minus 2 plus 3j cap. 6 minus 3 plus 3k cap. It is PQ bar. It is PQ bar. Okay. Now we have to find the position vector. Sorry. We got from that position vector so PQ bar vector. Now what we have to find? We have to find unit vector. Right? Unit vector. This one I am taking as A bar. This I am taking as A bar. Now what we have to find? We have to find the unit vector of this PQ bar. Now unit vector of A bar is equal to PQ bar is, what is the formula? A cap is equal to 1 by mod A bar into A bar. So that's PQ bar only I am taking as A bar, or else you can write directly also no problem. PQ cap is equal to 1 by mod PQ bar into PQ bar, like this also. Then what will be? 1 by root over 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square. Okay, into 3I cap plus 3j cap plus 3k cap. 1 by 27 into 3I cap plus 3j cap plus 3k cap. Direct I am taking 1 by root 27. 3. 3 into 3. 3 root 3 na? 3 root 3. 1 by 3 root 3 into 3I cap plus 3j cap plus 3k cap. So multiply inside 3 getting cancelled. Right? Here also 3 getting cancelled, 3 also getting cancelled. What will be? 1 by root 3 I cap plus 1 by root 3 j cap plus 1 by root 3 k cap. It is the unit vector of a vector PQ bar or nothing but A. Okay. Next, same like this, one more question is asking, question number 9. Question number also same like this only. What he is asking? For given vectors A bar and B bar, two vectors are given, find the unit vector in the direction of the vector A bar plus B bar. Find the unit vector in the position in the direction of A bar plus B bar. So that means we have to find a unit vector of a bar plus b bar. That much. We have to find a unit vector of a bar plus b bar. So to find a unit vector of a bar plus b bar, actually what is the unit vector of a bar plus b bar? It's a cap. A bar plus b bar cap. You have to find this. Okay. So a bar plus b bar means directly I am not taking this, I am taking as one vector c bar. This I am taking as one vector c bar. So a bar plus b bar vector I am taking as a c bar. Now what we have to find? We have to find a unit vector of c bar. So what is the unit vector of c bar? C cap is equal to 1 by mod c bar into c bar. Okay, first what we have to find? A bar plus b bar we have to find or not first? Yes. So first find the a bar plus b bar. Here what is a bar given here? A bar. Question number 9 it is a bar is equal to 2I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. And what is b bar is given here? Minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap is given. Okay. First now find a bar plus b bar. Okay, that means taking a c bar. Yes, what is that one? 2I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap plus or minus or else take like this. Okay, minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Right? Yes. So you add them. 2I plus or minus I cap minus j plus j 0 na. So j component is not there. 2k cap minus cap k cap, that means k cap. I cap plus j cap. It is vector c bar. It is vector c bar. The unit vector of c bar you have to find. So unit vector of c bar is, what is that one? C cap is equal to 1 by mod c bar into c bar. Okay, so 1 by mod c bar means magnitude, root over 1 square plus 1 square into I cap plus k cap. Okay, so 1 by root 2 into I cap plus k cap. So multiply inside, you will get that unit vector. C bar means actually unit vector of c bar means it is nothing but a bar plus b bar only. So it is a unit vector which is in the which is having same direction of a bar plus b bar. Same direction of a bar plus b bar. This a bar plus b bar only I am taking as c bar. A bar plus b bar only I am taking as here c bar. Okay, remember. So like this manner we have to find these type of questions. Okay. Okay. Question number 10 and remaining I will explain in next class. Okay. Thank you.